Today I'm going to show you how to make green curry chicken. And we start with chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh, or the best will be with the bone. Okay, we cut in bite size like this. And then we'll cut up some Thai eggplant. We'll get it at Asian market. It's round like this. And then some Fresno chili and jalapeno. And we can have a Thai basil, bamboo shoot, coconut milk. Then I want to cut the top off, and it depends on the size of eggplant. This one is big, so you're gonna want to cut it smaller. And put this in the water so it doesn't get dark. Okay, we'll start from a can of coconut milk. And then we put green curry. I use Maproy today. Add a little bit at a time. You can add more later. Medium heat on. And you want this to be boiled. The curry mixed in with the coconut milk. Okay, this is what you want. Boil to release the fat from the coconut milk. Okay, let it boil for a little bit. Until you get that creamy texture that you're looking for. Gonna add the protein. Today we use chicken thigh. Okay, so when the chicken is cooked, it will look like this. You're gonna add water into the coconut milk can and try to keep all the coconut left over in there. So in here I have almost the whole can. And you can add it in here. The bamboo shoot. Don't have bamboo shoot, don't worry about it. The eggplant. And then we're gonna add fish sauce, white sugar. You want this one to be sweet first. Okay. And then we're gonna let it cook until all the vegetables done. And it look like, oh, so perfect. So good. Okay. Now when we got what we want, we gotta add some chili, pepper.
Basil.
Thai basil. Lots of basil. Thai basil.
Only one type.
No, it's not. You cannot use regular basil for this. It has to be Thai basil. There's no substitute in this curry. You can use the other basil for different curry. Not green curry, please. And this is it. Done.
It looks like noodles.
Oh, so good. Okay, look.
Smells yummy.
Just
I already did it.
Try it with this. Try it. Try it.
I don't like that.
It's good. I hope you guys like this video.
Try soup.
I will see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.